What's up guys, Nizo here. Today I'm playing with A-pillars in my Caddy. There's nothing wrong with how it sounds, but I'm just trying to get it to perform a little bit better. I do feel that by playing with its positioning and its location, I'd be able to improve the width of my car. So I'm trying to get the car to sound a bit wider. I've already changed the tweeters. I've moved the tweeters onto the cell panels and the video around. I've moved the tweeters were located there. I've moved them to the cell panel. Yes, it brought it a bit closer, but it also moved it a little further out. So now here's the new pods. The idea is these will, so while you do see the A-pillar itself, oops, and I've marked it out here where the hole is going to be, but what actually happens is the pillar itself gets bolted directly to the car and not actually the pillar, and it's just basically like a dress-up piece around the pillar. So the actual mounting happens here, and the pillar just kind of closes up. That's why you always see the pod protruding. It's like this is solid. It's like really solid because the pod is bolted directly to the actual metal itself and not the actual sail panel, so it kind of locks it in. So we're going to employ the exact same principles there, where I'm going to just drill a hole, put a riv nut in, and then this will bolt in there. And once I'll play around with the location, angle and so forth, and once I'm happy with that, I'll put a second riv nut there, which will be the lock-in. So I don't ever, the first one is to secure it, the second one is to lock it into position. I always use two. And yeah, I'm gonna basically play around with this, and next video or as I go along, I'll try and just include some photos and that sort of thing to tell you, or to keep you up to speed with how the build's going, as well as, more importantly, what the after effects is, or basically where we end up. Does it make a positive difference? Doesn't it? I don't know at this point in time, so I'll be able to tell you once I've done the testing. So let me get on it. I'm just trying to show you what all goes into trying to get the performance better. Chat in a bit. So now you want to line them up perfectly so you can get them the hole cut symmetrically. So next up, we're going to do some filling. We're using Plemchem fiber filler. We've positioned the pillars, we've positioned the pods on the pillars where they're going to be more or less. We need to fill all of this up, reinforce it. So we use fiber filler for this. To the old